Art beaters, hello. We're going to be taking a look at some holiday jewelry. It's the perfect time to get started on your holiday jewelry. So we'll also be taking a look at some inspiration for that. I've got a lot of pretty inspiration for Halloween, Christmas, and even some Thanksgiving jewelry inspiration. It is never too early to start planning your holiday jewelry. I know I'm doing a Christmas wreath cross stitch right now. I'm sure I will make some more little beaded ornaments, beaded jewelry. So now is a really great time to start working on your Christmas jewelry and your Halloween jewelry, or Thanksgiving jewelry too. Gives you plenty of time to get started and make it ahead of time, or maybe even start working on some presents for your friends and family. So we've got lots of beautiful things. We've got lots of pretty things in our design studio to inspire you. I've also got some things from my personal collection that I wanted to share with you because they are a lot of fun. Let's start with Halloween, since that one is closer. August is a really great time to start working on your fall and Halloween jewelry. So I just wanted to share this one. This one is from my personal collection, and I've got a link to my personal Instagram where you can see pieces like this and other things that I'm working on. But I made a cute little brick stitch ghost masquerade. They're all little ghosts dressed up in their Halloween costumes, and that's just a little bracelet. So brick stitch is a fun technique for making holiday jewelry because you can make all kinds of little shapes, little ghosts and ghoulies and other things. So I really like how that turned out. Super cute. I love the ghosts too. And then this one is in our design studio. This one is peyote stitch, and I did peyote stitch bands over carrier beads. And I made it a little trick or treat bracelet. So one side has a trick, like a pumpkin, and then the other side has a treat. So I've got candy corn on this one, and then a witch's hat on the other side. And this one has a ghost and chocolate. Yummy. So that's my tricks and treats bracelet. You can find that in the design studio on our website with instructions and PDF diagrams and a supplies list. I really like how that bracelet turned out. Super cute. I love the peyote stitch bands over the carrier beads. I think those are really fun and creative. Super fun Halloween earrings from our design studio. I made these with some cute ceramic pumpkin beads. And then I just paired them with dark accent beads to really make that orange pumpkin pop. So those are super cute. Love that. Gotta have some jack-o'-lantern style during Halloween. So cute. I love it. And then TierraCast has some really cute pumpkin charms too. And they have other really great Halloween charms. They've got like little gravestones, witches, super cute. I think they even have jack-o'-lantern pumpkins too. So this is just a regular pumpkin, but they have jack-o'-lantern pumpkins as well. And then just perfect with little orange and black beads. So perfect little Halloween earrings. And then we have some awesome skull chain that you should not miss, especially if you're making Halloween jewelry. This chain comes with these cute little skull shapes dangling from it. How sweet is that? Super cute. So I paired it with some cute crystals in orange colors, and then I put that TierraCast sugar skull. Yes, Marisol, TierraCast has zombies too. Yeah, and sugar skulls. I used the TierraCast sugar skull at the end of this fun skull chain earring. I love that skull chain. It is so cool. Super fun. And then from far away, you can't really tell that it's skull chain, but then when you get closer, you see the spooky side. So fun. I love it. Skulls, Barbara. Yes. Scary. But I love them. And then here's a couple more brick stitch pieces that I made. This is like a little pumpkin snowman. I love how this one turned out. I used some fun colors for the pumpkin, and then I made a happy little candy corn too. So super cute little Halloween ideas for you. So head to our design studio for instructions on some of those pieces so you can get started on your Halloween pieces. And then after you're done making your Halloween pieces, you can do some Thanksgiving pieces like our little super duo turkeys. These are so cute. So I made these last year. here, and we do have a video for how to make these on our YouTube channel, and they do have a design studio page on our website with a supplies list and instructions. But I made these cute little Super Duo 3D turkeys. I think they turned out really cute, and you could turn them into little earrings, a little necklace charm, maybe a keychain. I really love these, and I had fun kind of switching up the colors on the Super Duos to make different effects on the feathers. So you can see this is kind of a darker palette, and then this one is lighter. It was a lot of fun. I really like how those turkeys turned out. They're so cute. So we do have a video for how to make those. Those are a lot of fun. And then after you've got your turkey earrings done, you can move on to Christmas. I don't know about you, but I start to decorate for Christmas right after Thanksgiving. The day after Thanksgiving is time to decorate for Christmas. But you can start making your Christmas jewelry and your Christmas crafts way before then. Gives you a lot of time to finish them. And we have lots of beautiful inspiration for those in our design studio. Let's start with some cute ornaments. This lovely netted seed bead decoration for your glass ornaments is a great idea. We all have these ball ornaments in our ornament stash, and you can really dress them up with a cute seed bead net pattern. So we do have instructions for this in our design studio. You can totally switch up the colors to match whatever ornaments you already have or ornaments you plan on getting. Really great idea just to add a little beaded flair to your Christmas ornaments. So pretty. I love that. You can also make some fun wire shapes with your beads. This is a pretty little bell that would make a beautiful Christmas ornament. Just imagine all of these facets twinkling with the Christmas lights. That would be so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we were talking about the focal beads earlier. They make some beautiful Christmas ornaments too. I know we have a really great nativity scene hand-painted focal. That would be a beautiful Christmas ornament, and these are so pretty. This one is a lovely Santa. We've got a little bead dangle behind it with a crystal snowflake, so you can hang it from your tree. And then this one has a bead dangle up top and a sweet little bow to match the snowman. So that's another great idea for those beautiful hand-painted focals. They make really special Christmas ornaments, and we do have some Christmas-themed designs. But I think you could use any of them for a Christmas design. Like, a lot of people have themed trees or just ornaments that make them happy, not necessarily Christmas themed. I would totally add this to my Christmas tree, especially if I had a unicorn themed Christmas tree. That would be an incredible addition. So keep that in mind when you're looking at those hand painted focals. They really would make beautiful ornaments. A lot of people have like beach themed trees. This shell would make a beautiful Christmas ornament on your ocean themed Christmas tree. So pretty. So keep that in mind. They would make beautiful ornaments like these here. So, so fun. Love that. I love Christmas ornaments. And of course, brick stitch is another great option for making Christmas ornaments. This is a cute little winter snow globe, brick stitched, and then we've got a ribbon at the top so you can add it to your tree. So cute. And the sky is the limit with brick stitch. You can make any design you like, and then it would make a perfect little Christmas ornament. So, so sweet. So this one is in our design studio with free instructions as well for how to make that piece. And then I did love the carrier beads for Christmas as well. So I have made 12 Days of Christmas carrier bead bracelet and necklace. So I love these. So on one side, I put the number for the day. It's like almost like a advent calendar jewelry or Christmas countdown jewelry. So we all know the 12 Days of Christmas song. So I've got the number on one side and then the little scene that matches it. So this is partridge in a pear tree, 2 turtle doves, 3 French hens, and you can slide it so you can like reveal each day of Christmas, 4 calling birds, 5 gold rings. We've got 6 geese laying, just all of them. So super fun. And I wanted to be able to slide those little bands so you can see and count down on each bead. So those spacers really help keep those peyote stitch bands in place, but you can still slide them. We've got 7 swans a swimming, 8 maids a milking, super cute. And then, so these are with the regular sized carrier beads. And then I made a necklace with the large carrier beads. So these bands are even bigger. So we've got the partridge in a pear tree, super cute. 2 turtle doves. That one's very similar to the other one. So you can just see there's a little more surface area to work with on the large carrier beads. 3 French hens. I really like the 4 calling birds on that one. So super fun. I really like that idea. These were a lot of fun to stitch up. They are peyote stitch. So they work up pretty quickly and they're just fun and festive to work on. 9 ladies dancing. We've got 10 lords leaping. I really like him. He's really into it. He's really into the dance. And then 11 drummers drumming. This is 11 flutes or something like that. 12 drummers drumming. There we go. So we've got the flutes and then the drums. Super cute. So I really love how this design turned out. Super fun. The bell is, it's not a kit, but we do have instructions for it. On the Artbeats website with a supplies list. And this was made with the wire comes in this shape, but you could easily shape the wire to the shape on your own if this wire shape isn't available. So really fun. You could make that any shape you want. You could make a star, maybe like a little Christmas tree shape, all kinds of different shapes with wire. Love this bracelet for Christmas. It kind of has a poinsettia look. So pretty, and these are made with SO mini beads. So those are 2 whole beads. 11 pipers piping. Thank you, Anne. Pipers, yes, they're pipes. So cute, pretty. I need to brush up on my Christmas carols. And then just classic pairs of earrings. These are nice, kind of like classic Christmas ornament design. So pretty, perfect for winter. Gorgeous. And then I made these with some fun triangle shaped links that reminded me of like vintage Christmas tree designs. And then I added these little rectangular pendants because they look like little Christmas presents under the tree. So those are also in our design studio. Super fun. And then I've also toyed with dimensional beading for making Christmas ornaments and Christmas decor. So this is a design from Deb Moffat Hall, and it is a 3D peyote star. And again, this is 12 Days of Christmas themed. So each point of the star represents the lyrics of 12 Days of Christmas, and it's different on the back. So you've got partridge in a pear tree, 2 turtle doves, 3 French hens, 4 calling birds, 5 gold rings. So really love this. This is the first 3D star that I made. It was a lot of fun. It takes a lot of time, but a really, really great pattern. So this is from Deb Moffat Hall, if you're interested. And she, her instructions were really great. They were really easy to follow. So love this star. So that's an ornament for my tree. And then this little pattern is from Thread Bead, and it's a cute little Christmas train, a 3D peyote Christmas train. So cute. This one was a lot of fun, and there's other patterns that go along with this, so you can hook up the different train cars. So the next train car has little cubes that it's like an advent calendar, so you can count down to Christmas on the train. Look how cute that is. And then there's another car with like more people on it, more Christmas people. So sweet. I really enjoyed this project. 3D beading just blows my mind, like how people like can come up with these designs. It's so amazing. I would never think of something like this. So I'm so thankful for those that share their patterns like this. So this is from Thread a Bead. So cute. They have a lot of cute 3D patterns. So amazing, super cool. I had a lot of fun with that piece, and I'm definitely going to make the other train cars so I can have a whole cute Christmas train. So cute. So hopefully all of these ideas get your mind spinning for Halloween and Christmas. Oh, and I did want to share this cute herringbone bracelet. This one has kind of vintage Christmas colors to me. So pretty. So I love that. Yeah, so great time to be thinking about all of your holiday jewelry that you're going to make. And we have lots of fun designs to get you inspired in our design studio. They're with free instructions and supplies lists. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that was inspiring. I hope you're ready for Halloween and Christmas. I am definitely not ready for summer to end yet. I have been enjoying this good weather. I can't believe it. It has not, it's been sunny like since June, which is, that's typically not the case for Washington State, the west side of Washington State at least. Typically June is still a little gloomy from spring, like we'll have some cloudy, rainy days. But this June, it's just been nothing but sun every day. It's so weird. So, but I have been enjoying that weather, so I'm gonna hold on to that weather for a little bit longer, but I will be thinking about Christmas and Halloween designs for sure, because they are so much fun. They're really fun to make and to come up with, so hopefully you have some good ideas. And be sure to share what you're working on in our private Facebook group for Serious Art Beaters. We love seeing what you're working on, and you can also leave product reviews on our website with photos and even videos. Don't forget that. And if you leave a product review and you're an Art Beads reward member, you could get rewards points for that. So keep that in mind too. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining me today, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment on this video. So thank you so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.